Good morning. This is a fun exercise for beginners. The free tutorial is at watsonwatercolor.com. Start with an outline which you can trace. For the first light layers, wet your paper with clean water. Paint the leaves with a yellow-green, leaving lots of unpainted spaces for the roses. Your roses will look best if you have some clumps with mini roses and just a few single ones. The walls are raw sienna or yellow ochre, and the ground is burnt sienna. You can touch in a little burnt sienna on the wet walls for variation. My door is cobalt blue, wet on wet. The blue color only goes on the top 2/3 of the door. And paint some of the brown or beige at the bottom, where the dirt gets on it from the ground. The grass on the right side of the door is a light to medium green, with a little bit darker green at the bottom. You don't want the grass to stand out. It's more of a supporting piece for the door and the flowers, so don't overdo it. The flowers on the left can be any color you like. I thought I'd mix the blue door color with red for a purple, but they could be orange or dark blue or even just white. The wall isn't dry and the color is doing weird stuff, but watercolors are easy to fix. There's your first light layer of color. Next, paint on some medium values. Here's a medium value of green. Now, don't cover the light green completely. Be sure to leave some of the lighter yellow green showing around the medium green. The dark blue for the door only goes where the shadows are. And while that dries, you can paint the flower pot orange, lighter on the right and darker on the left. The greenery gets more color too. For more texture on your wall, just scumble in some of your brown color. To make a dark brown for shadows, you can mix your brown plus a dark blue. And there you have the medium values. Now to make a watercolor really pop, don't be afraid to add your darkest values. If you don't have dark colors, you can mix your colors with black. Use the dark to add lines in the door and to draw the round handle. And don't forget the shadows on the wall from the roses. The dark values are shaping up this painting, but I think even more dark green would be a great finishing touch. So visit Watson Watercolor today and give this lesson a try. It's fun and easy, and you'll have a pretty painting no matter what colors or paper you use. Happy painting!